stuff, that lightning.
Yeah, you see the damage it does to the cars. Can only imagine. Well, here's a much nicer sight. We saw the sun today.
Yeah.
Led to a very nice sunset across central Indiana, and it's been several days since we've seen any sunshine.
I know, so it was a welcome sight.
It was. It made it brighten things up just a little bit. This evening, we've got the clouds rolling back into central Indiana, and as we look north across downtown, you see just over the horizon there where we've got a little bit of fog. Visibility is down to around 7 miles for us in Indianapolis with a temperature of 28 degrees now. A light east wind making it feel like we're at 23 degrees. So a little bit of a wind chill out there for you tonight. It's 31 though in Terre Haute. We're all sitting right around the upper 20s to near 30 and don't expect to move too far from these numbers as we go through the next 12 hours. In fact, you see we're holding right around 29 degrees or so to 6 and 7 o'clock in the morning, and then we'll start to see those numbers climbing as we go into the second half of the day. Looking at TrueView radar and satellite, the clouds with us this evening, and otherwise things are quiet for us. As we get back to the west, we start to see the weather turning a little more active, and these are weather systems that are going to head our direction. So here's TrueCast. I think tomorrow morning, again, outside of maybe a couple of flurries, some patches of drizzle, will be dry even through the lunchtime here. And then as we go into the evening rush hour, that's where we could see a few showers, especially Indianapolis areas to the west around Lafayette, Petersburg, back into Greencastle. You could see a few of those showers, and then we'll start to see some more steady rain that moves in here around and after sunset. So through the evening and into the overnight, occasional bouts of rainfall for us. Tuesday morning, still some scattered rain showers around as temperatures are staying mild. Between now and Tuesday, we don't have to worry about any snow in the forecast, and we may see a few breaks in that rain activity through the day on Tuesday. But Monday, we start off with gray skies once again. Temperatures, though, will still make it into the 40s, 40 degrees at noon with a southeast wind at 10 to 15 miles per hour, and those showers gradually becoming a little more likely through the day. Still, though, 44 degrees at 7 o'clock, and I think we'll get to about 47 as we go beyond sunset. So that's kind of round one of things. Then here's a Christmas Eve storm system we've been talking about for several days. Still some questions in the track, but we expect to see an area of low pressure developing portions of central Kentucky and Tennessee as we go into Wednesday morning on Christmas Eve. Then colder air is going to get wrapped up in the backside of this system. I think there's enough moisture left over. We'll see a little bit of light snow. May not add up to a whole lot, though, before this storm system starts to pull away. But here's what you need to know. We'll be mild with rain chances Monday and Tuesday. That wind is really going to become an issue, especially as we get Tuesday, Wednesday, right on into Christmas Day, as we see a transition to some light snow Wednesday, mainly late afternoon into the evening looks to be the timing now. And your 7-day planning forecast shows that once we get into the end of the week, beyond the Christmas holiday, temperatures rebound for a day, then we fall back to around 30 for highs into next weekend. But right now, White Christmas, yeah, I think we'll see a little bit of snow. Not much, probably under a couple of inches. That's a very rough estimate.
Okay, Kyle, thanks for that. Well.